Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to deselect an active selection in GIMP. So let's get started. To quickly deselect, use the keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl Shift and A on Windows or Command Shift A on Mac. This command instantly removes any active selection. Alternatively, you can deselect using the menu. Go to Select in the top menu bar and click on None. This action will also clear any active selection. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.